Alright, so I haven't had time to do videos on unboxing stuff, but I just got this in, and I paid a lot for it. And it was in a box that was as tight as this, and now I listen. Haven't opened it up yet. So the box it came in is exactly as it. So there's something rattling around in here. I'm kind of bummed about that. We'll see. Yeah, usually I do videos on unboxing stuff, but I just didn't have time. Again, this was pretty pricey. Could have been a bigger box. That would have. So we're gonna find out now what happened. So whatever rattling is around is from the inside. So I got it because it had the original box. So those are hard to find. Expensive. Something is rattling. What is that? It's actually inside. That stinks. That can't be good. This was really pricey too, man. Just didn't have any other padding, and so even though it was in its protective cover, probably wasn't enough. It's probably this button that's broken. I don't know. Bummer. I'm gonna go find out what it is now. Let's do that. Let's take a look. Let's see what we have for damage here. Of course, if it was something rattling around, I would have let her know that before buying it. There was a few different ones. I picked this one only because it was had the box. The box is only as good as the unit works. As soon as I took it out of the box, I could hear something rattle, and I'm like, oh, that's not good. Let's take a look. I don't really return things, but I don't know. Again, I paid a lot for this. This was really pricey. But all this old stuff is. Didn't break. So I think I don't know what this is. But that was what was rattling. Hope it still works. Could be just a label, but there's no label on it, so I don't know. Just put it back together and hope for the best. It's not a component or anything, so that's good. I don't see anything else dented. Oh, it must be a sticky something. That's the push button for that. I don't know. I thought maybe one of the posts broke, but they look alright. this. It sticks to something, but what's it for? Anything else? Oh wait, there's more. Hold on a second. That just came out. That wasn't cool. I don't know. Something fell out of it. What's that here? That's the eject button. Guess that's the only thing that fell out. The button. Didn't plan on taking it apart. This is just like an afterthought here. This way, right? Just don't know what that piece of metal is for. Oh, and this came out too. Unexpected. To pull that off of there. I was just about to fire up some Subnautical too. Big fan. It's not fantastic, but it's pretty cool. Let's get you back in there. Which way does this button thing go? This. Is it this way or is it this way? Is it going that way? Wasn't paying attention to which side this was on. You can go on either side, I guess. But it's pushing more. Can't see it. Guess that's right. So something fell out, but I don't know what it is. This. I don't know if it just got loose from shipping or whatnot, but it doesn't seem broken, so I don't know if it works or not. I don't know if this button's on right though. That's my problem. I have a feeling this button's backwards. It's definitely don't look right. That don't look right. So we gotta regroup here for a second. I'm gonna say that's wrapped backwards. That's the wrong way. So let's switch it. Oh no, that looks like it fits on there. This has something to do with this piece of here. Go this way. Goes that way. That's definitely the way it goes in. You put it in first. That's the key here. I was trying to jam it in. It's got to go into there and then go in the hole. No, I know the inside of one of these looks like. Okay, I think we're in good business now here. Okay. if it was sticking to something. Let's just get you back together, my little buddy. So that's the inside of the. I also have I got an Amiga, all in Amiga. 5 1/4 drive to external. I got an Amiga 2000 that I've been playing around with. Pretty expensive little project, but fun. Uh-oh, there was a screw. No. I lose the screw. I did. Oh, crap. That one is. Did I put 2 screws in one thing? Maybe that's what I did. But where the hell did my other screw go? It's in the same hole as the other screw. That's not good. Because I always leave 5 full stars, no mention of any. I don't think I'll have to. Unless it was something like really major, looked like it was broken. But I don't know if it works. Get this sit in there right. Kind of losing this screw. It's not going with the flip. That one's alright. That one's alright. It gets to drop in there. That one's alright. This one I don't think I got in. No, I didn't. If it flops and goes crooked, then it doesn't sit right. I get it. No. It's crooked. We stopped the noise, whatever it was. That piece. I got it now. At some point we'll test it. I got a whole bunch of discs, floppies that I can use. I'm going to sell a lot of them down the road sometime. And I already have a floppy, but now I have an external one too. Cool. So that's what fell out. that was on there.